In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted items in Outlook. If you've accidentally deleted an email and need to bring it back, Outlook makes the process very simple. As long as the item is still in your deleted items folder, you can restore it in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through exactly what to do so you can recover the message quickly and get it back where it belongs. Start by opening Outlook and looking at the folder list on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, click on Deleted Items. This folder stores emails and other mailbox items that you've recently removed. If you just deleted something by mistake, there's a good chance it will still be here. Once you're inside the Deleted Items folder, take a moment to find the email or item you want to restore. Depending on how full your mailbox is, you may need to scroll a little to locate it. When you've found the correct item, click on the checkbox beside it. This selects the item and tells Outlook that this is the one you want to take action on. Be careful to select the right message, especially if you have several similar emails in the folder. After selecting the item, look for the Restore option and click on it. Outlook will then move the deleted item out of the Deleted Items folder and return it to its original location, or in some cases, to your inbox or another appropriate folder, depending on how your account is configured. This is the fastest way to recover an email that was deleted accidentally. If you're restoring something important, it's a good idea to double check where the item goes after the restore is complete. That way you can confirm it was successfully recovered and is back in the place where you expect to find it. If you don't see it right away, check your inbox and any folders where it may have originally been stored. That's all there is to it. Open Deleted Items, select the item using the checkbox and click Restore. It's a quick and helpful feature that can save you from losing important emails by mistake. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.